Peoples Democratic Party PDP engineer Gideon Ikhine has said there is a need for total restoration to bring it out of what he called the present predicament to give the citizens a decent livelihood. Speaking in an interactive session to submit his vision and mission, goals and core values with journalists at his campaign office in Benin City, the state capital, where he outlined his restoration program for the state, he said he will be actualizing the vision of his restoration plan in respect of the core values of the PDP, which he will respect and build his programs on, because that is what defines him. A fellow of the he who is a PDP gubernatorial aspirant for the Edo 2020 polls also said that he will be submitting himself to serve Edo State when Engr blows the whistle, because he has professional private experience and skill for business building from the scratch, which he can deploy to create a sustainable economy for the state.
Time has come in this state for us to re-engineer ourselves and tell ourselves the truth. If you have not built anything in your life, you can't build a people. If you have not created anything, you can't create wealth. We have come to a point whereby we will sit down and decide how we want to run the state. We must restore all that have been destroyed. We can't have a good economy if we don't have infrastructure. I took a drive around the whole of GRA, and it's very painful. You won't see one drainage, a single drainage in the whole of GRA Benin. The seat and the power of government. It's my vision to restore Edo State and become a global destination of choice. Your vision is where you are going. Your mission is what vehicle are you going to use to get there. We want total restoration, rebuilding of infrastructure and human capacity as a backbone for establishing a new Edo State. And this can be done through creative integration of institutional values.
Including PDP chieftains, said there are some places where you go and find only 2 teachers in the school. There are some other places you go to and find out that they have just 1 physics teacher in the whole of the local government area.
We've been all about the 192 wards in Edo State, -3 in Ogirima, because Ogirima wards were inaccessible as a result of bad roads. You have a very key role to play in this process. We didn't want a situation where we will warm up ourselves to your heart in the DDM.
You see, impunity is the father of replication. Do you understand my language? Impunity. I will do it, my friend, don't worry. We will do it the way we will be doing it. Then we repeat, old man comes, old man stays. Tomorrow, old man comes, old man stays. The only way a person like Dr. Rico can influence that situation and make it irrelevant is to make sure that the youth are empowered.
On the day of praise